Mink oil for your boots. This is definitely something you want to grab. We've been using this leather conditioner for quite a while. Really like the mink oil. Take a rag, put a generous amount on your rag, and then you work it into a presumably clean leather. This is not real clean, but for the sake of this purpose, it'll work fine. And you may have to put in a few different layers. The leather is going to soak it in. It's a nice, great way to re-waterproof your leather. Mink oil is naturally water repellent. And after you put it on the leather, let it dry, buff it back out, or if it's soaked in overnight, apply it again after it has had many hours to soak in. It does work better if the leather is warm. You can use a hair dryer to make it seep in a little bit more effectively to the pores of the leather. But mink oil is an essential part of keeping leather boots and other leather products performing well. Natural leather is a porous material. It's a natural material, so you do have to take care of it for it to last a really long time. And again, for waterproofing purposes, the mink oil is some of the best ways to recondition your leather for waterproofing. And as you can see, it doesn't take very long. This is a very easy process. The mink oils are extremely cost effective. Doesn't take a lot. And as you can tell from how long I've been doing it with this video, I've just done the whole bottom of this work boot in almost no time. So I'll go ahead and put this in here. You will want to use a rag instead of a paper towel. And if it's got discoloration, what you can do is buff off the overlap or the excess of the mink oil. This is basic stuff. I put a generous amount on whenever I re-oil leather. Be sure to get the under the straps. Try to get it work it into the leather, and as well get it worked into the seams. Check the stitching. Before, after, work boot oil. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.